Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and it is time for a channel update. Friends, I'm not sure I shared with you, but we have now got a channel store. Friends, if you scroll through the designs, there is an HLModTech design, there is a Let's Get Crackin design, and then there is a brand new HLModTech design that has a front and a back. All sorts of sizes, and you can even pick different sorts of colors. Friends, an extra bonus that I want to highlight is right now there is a coupon for 20% off everything. Friends, of course, I appreciate all the support, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.